Hey Mike, how you doing? It's Leo again here from Rona Marketing. This is the video that I was talking to you about that I wanted to get over to you. It's just actually some tips that's going to help you bring in more business using your website or your Google business profile or both. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video. I hope these strategies are helpful to you. Now, you see I got your website pulled up here. I love the MB logo. And it's not a bad website. It's just not a lot going on here. One of my biggest suggestions would be to add more content because Google loves content and they send bots out 24/7 to crawl these sites just to be able to identify what these websites are. So reading your website, seeing roof replacements, roof repairs, it kind of tells what you do and where you do it at. And that's good so the bots can actually identify what this website is. So throughout this website, you want to make sure that you got buyer intent keywords. And this is actually a buyer intent keyword here. It is the service that you provide, which is roof repairs, and then the city that you do it in. So roof repairs in Knoxville is a buyer intent keyword. So you want to make sure you have things like that scattered throughout your content. And it's got to be X amount of keywords per X amount of content. So that's why it's important to have more content on this homepage. Again, needs to be about 1,500 to 2,000. You can also save these photos and videos as keywords too because they count as content as well. So this is saved as download. Again, this could be something like roof repair Nashville or roof repair Knoxville or roof repair Chattanooga or wherever you have your services at. Now, what I've done here, actually, hold on. I'm going to show you this real quick. Up here at the top, I wanted to tell you I like how you've got your click to call for these different areas and then your email and your Facebook, things like that. Having multiple ways to convert up here is ideal. That way people can call, text. If they don't feel comfortable talking, then they can send an email through. Or vice versa. So I wanted to give you a shout out for that. That's a really good job having those up there. Now, what we have here is one of the tools I use called Eris, and what it does is give me the analytics of where you're sitting in Google's eyes. Now, this is URDR. These simply mean the strength of your website and the trust of your website. So it's a 31 and a 15. And these numbers are out of 100, so you want to make sure you're keeping these balanced and moving up continuously. You got 1,700 backlinks and 184 referring domains. Now, a backlink is the cream of the crop. The backlinks is what powers your words and your websites and makes the strength and the trust go up. That way, when people are searching services, they find you. And a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. But you got to be careful because some backlinks are very spammy and you can have 1,000 of them. They're not going to do you any good. They're actually going to hurt you. And then you can have, say, 500 quality backlinks that's really going to boost your website's performance. So it's definitely quality over quantity. So you want to make sure that you're going after the very authoritative backlinks that's relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, you've got 261 keywords that your website's being indexed for. I've already pulled this up. You've got some pretty good keywords in here, but I've got a couple lists over here. I'm going to show you there's more. So roofing is the service. Knoxville, Tennessee is where that service is provided. So keyword difficulty, like your backlinks, they go up to 100. The closer to 0, the easier it is to rank. So roofer Knoxville, Tennessee is actually getting 400 searches a month. There's 400 people searching this service each month, and it's got a keyword difficulty of 8. Now, this keyword difficulty is going to tell you how long it's going to take to actually rank for this keyword right here. You're in place 19 right now, and you're getting 2 of those a month. So once you get in those top 3, then you're going to start getting the lion's share of this search right here. 30, 40, 60, 80, 100 or more. Roofers, Lebanon, Tennessee, 0 KD, 50. You're in the 10th position. You're getting 1 out of there. So you're getting 1/10 of that volume. Now, the way I found you was through the Google Guaranteed. So paying for these is a good way to get business quickly. But, as soon as you quit paying, you're off that first page. So that's the importance of running organically. So here is your map pack, and these are the top three. The map shows the top three, and you're not here right now, but that's okay because there's several ways to get here. You are actually on the second page, and this is something I can help you out with too. It doesn't have to just be websites and optimization of websites. It can also be your Google business. You know, I really enjoy working on these and help getting these optimized. You've got a lot of reviews, which is really good. You've got a lot of photos, which is really good. You just want to make sure that you're getting these photos geotagged and geolocated correctly. That way you're being found for them. There's also a 750 character About Us section down here at the bottom. Make sure that that's filled out completely, and you want to make sure you get you some keywords in here as well. Also by adding citations. Now, a citation is your business name, address, and phone number. Honestly, Google is just a big popularity contest. So you want to get as many directories as you can and share your information with those, because the more directories you share your information with, the more Google starts to trust you, and then it's going to boost your business not only in your area, but your surrounding areas as well. Now, being in this Google map, you're going to get about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes right to your website, and they're going to give you a call right from there, and you can turn those into customers whenever they give you a call. Now, at the bottom down here is your organics, and organic is where you're getting 60 to 70% of your business. The Google Maps is very important, but the organics is just as important, if not more, because that's where people come. They see in the Google Maps, they see in organics, and they're going to give you a call. Now, as you can see, this is your #1 competitor in organics, and on their site, you can see there's not a lot of content on here either. So by implementing having more content on your websites, you can outrank them while adding those backlinks and such as well. Now, I wanted to show you right here in your Nashville area. Now, Nashville is a little more tough. It's definitely doable to take over these top spots, but it's going to be a lot more expensive. So right here in Clarksville, Knoxville, those two have pretty good search volume, as you see, but the keyword difficulty is not as high. Again, this is out of 100, so the lower the keyword difficulty is, the easier it is to rank, where these will only take a couple months to start really ranking and showing up in people's searches. These Nashville ones is going to take a little longer, probably double the time. But like I said, it's definitely doable. But Knoxville is a really good city to be able to take over. So roofing company Knoxville is 500, another 500. There's 4,000-5,000 searches that you can capture and get a portion of that every single month. So as you see, there's a decent amount of volume here. I just wanted to show you that once you start ranking, you'll grab a big percent of these volumes that we've got over here. And then that, again, will go to your website, and then a percentage of people that comes to your website is going to give you a call. And then depending on you guys' close rate, you can turn them into customers and get you, an extra job a day, 5-6 jobs extra a month for new builds, re-roofs. Anything that you provide, we can make sure that they get sent straight to your website so they can give you a call first. So I definitely hope this video was helpful, and I'd love to hear some feedback from you. Again, my name is Leo from Rona Marketing. Have a great day.